Alright guys, I'm going to show you how I finish off making the can here, or mostly at least. Um, so obviously we are not hollow, or we can't see into the can, and it obviously should be hollow. So I'm going to create a new sketch on top here. And I don't know if you guys saw that. To create a new sketch wherever you want, you can just select a face. I'm going to select the top of the can, hit this create sketch button again. First thing I'm going to do, if you look in, that is sunken down a little bit, so I'm going to create a small circle right there, finish the sketch, and I'm going to extrude it down, so cut into the can a little bit. Oops. So now we have kind of that feature there. You guys can see that. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create another sketch right there. And I'm going to use a new drawing tool. This is called Fit Point Spline. This is going to let me create kind of an irregularly shaped opening. Because if you look at the top of the can, it's not a perfect circle that opens there. It's kind of a oval. So I'm going to use this feature to create kind of a strange shape. You guys can play with this if you need it. And I'm going to go just like that. If you look closely, I only did half of that. And the reason is I'm going to show you guys another cool feature on here. It's called mirror. So what I'm going to do is create a line right here. And then I'm going to right click this line. I hit escape to get out of that line selection thing. I'm going to right click this line I just created and turn it into what's called a construction line. What a construction line does is it just creates kind of a line that we can use to create mirrors and other things like that without actually affecting our object. So I've created this construction line. What I did again, just so you guys can see it again, is I right clicked and I hit this button right here, normal or construction. You see that this line is dotted now. Next thing I'm going to do is go up here and hit mirror. And I can select this spline curve that I just created. And then it's going to let me select a mirror line. I select that, and it mirrors that line perfectly across that construction line that I created. Then I can hit OK. I have an opening for the can. Now I'm going to extrude this down. And cut right in there. And now, it's a little thick, but I have a basic can shape in Fusion 360. Yeah, I think that pretty much covers just a few of the things that you guys can use to create your coffee mugs. If you have a more complicated design, do the best you can, and I will help you guys on Monday. All right, have a wonderful Thanksgiving, everyone.